Our goal at Pacvac is to provide the best education and training resources to create smarter operators and cleaner environments. Our goal is to ensure businesses are productive, the industry is educated and the user is safe. Welcome to your training on the world-leading design backpack vacuum cleaners, the Pacvac SuperPro 700 series. Each SuperPro 700 backpack comes with an 18-metre extension cord, a complete hose, a 2-piece wand, a combination floor tool with wheels, 2 cloth bags, 5 paper bags, 3 accessory tools and your product and training manual. Now let's get started. First, plug in the power cord. We recommend using a paper bag. Simply fit this on top of the cloth dust bag. When replacing the lid, the hose connector should be on the left side if you're left-handed or on the right side if you're right-handed. Screw on the hose. Connect the wands and attach the floor tool. You can also store your accessory tools on the waistband. Now you're ready to put it on. Wearing the backpack correctly will make you more comfortable and will make your work much easier. The first thing to do is loosen the shoulder straps, then lift the SuperPro by one shoulder strap, sliding your free arm into the other strap. You can also use a table or ask a colleague for assistance. Do up the waistband so the machine rests comfortably on your hips. As a guide, the waist straps should be on or just above your belt line. Pull the shoulder straps to bring the machine forward, but don't pull them tight or you'll risk getting a sore neck and shoulders. You should be able to run your fingers easily under the straps. Lastly, fasten the chest strap. All straps are adjustable for your comfort. The base of the harness should now sit comfortably on the small curve of your lower back. Your hips, abdominal and lower back muscles should support 95% of the weight of the machine. When you're ready to take it off, turn the power off. Lower the wand, unfasten the chest support, undo the waist strap, loosen the shoulder straps and slide one arm out while the opposite hand holds the shoulder strap. Gently lower the machine to the floor. The most important thing to remember is to stand upright when you're vacuuming. If you bend forward, gravity increases the weight on your back. It's one of the most common mistakes people make. Hold the bent handpiece with one hand at a comfortable arm's length. Use easy underarm swinging motions while walking forward. A good tip is to also hold the extension cord.
Before you begin vacuuming a new area, a good idea is to spend a moment planning your path. And the first thing to do is to find the most easily accessible power point. This will be your starting location. Now look at the room layout and plan a main path. Then plan small branches coming off from that path. Next, check the condition of the floor and decide which areas need either a detail or a spot clean.
Your path should have you working away from the power point, up one side, then back down the other side towards the power point. Use long strokes for the detail clean areas and short dabs for the spot cleaning areas. And you'll find the floor tool provided moves easily on both hard and soft floors. You can make your work easier by using your crevice tool for edges and the upholstery tool for cushions and areas where the standard floor tool won't fit. The dusting brush is used for curtains, blinds and other areas where the brush hairs are needed to loosen the dust. The motor inside the vacuum draws the air and dust up the hose and into the machine where the dust is trapped by the bags and filters. The air continues through the motor, keeping it cool, then out of the machine. If anything blocks this flow of air, you lose suction. So if debris gets stuck or you're pressing down hard on the floor tool, you're blocking the flow of air and losing suction. Maintaining your vacuum cleaner means better suction and a longer lasting machine. The idea is to keep the air flowing. So, empty the bags at the end of every shift or when they're full. If you need to clean the cloth bag, the best way is to fit the vacuum cleaner with the spare cloth bag and use the dusting brush to vacuum it. If you wash it, make sure it's dry before using. When your cloth bag looks like this, it's time to be replaced. To clean the hypercone filter, simply twist the filter to remove and tap or vacuum it clean. Pacvac's hypercone filter is HEPA rated and its unique design ensures a constant flow of air even as the bag fills. When your filter looks like this, it's time to get a new one. To clean the external filter, push down on the filter cage to unlock and then lift out. Tap or vacuum it clean. Every time you use the vacuum, check the wands, floor tool and hose for blockages. The easiest way is to drop a coin through. When winding the cord, turn off the power point and unplug. Then, starting from the machine end, create a loop and repeat. Always check for nicks, cuts and damage. And if you find any damage, have the cord replaced. Winding the cord correctly will help keep it in good condition.
Whenever you're using electrical equipment, it's important to be aware of the hazards and work with care. So make sure you read the information on safe operation in your product and training manual. A free safety and maintenance poster is available from Pacvac. It explains product-specific operations, safety, maintenance, and, if you ever need it, some troubleshooting tips.
You should now feel more familiar with your Pacvac vacuum cleaner. At Pacvac, we're committed to helping you work smarter, cleaner and healthier.